Welcome to Architeca Design Build Firm, one of the leading construction companies effectively serving overall Tamil Nadu. Nothing beats the long summer months, those long sunny days filled with all external activities that we all love during the summer. In this video, we have come with 5 beautiful tips to maintain your home in summer. And you know there are ways where you could be cleaning, but you don't know from where to start. Don't worry, we have compiled a list of simple summer cleaning tips for your home maintenance. This is the last thing that you need to worry about. Inspect your house exterior for loose or rotted sliding. This will get rid of any dust, dirt, tree swap, bird droppings, etc. that leave your home look decent and more confident. The next thing is to repair and repaint any cracking or faded exterior. This, besides intruding your home's peel, it will also protect it from the elements and unnatural silly damages. The next important point is to wash windows inside and out. You will be amazed to see how much light it will give and how much light will stream within, which will definitely give your house a comfort look. Up next is to check the brick duct pointing and inspect the foundation cracks or leaks. The foundation cracks can create an entry point for groundwater and insects. Checking your air conditioner, this will be an important role during the summer. Regular AC maintenance can extend the life of your unit. The need for costly AC repair is a must. Also, check the window leakage. Get your windows and doors sealed to boost your home's efficiency and energy. Thank you for watching. Contact us for more details.